Hola, ¿qué tal? Today we are in a special place. I just wanted to make a video here in the forest. Why not? So, today we're going to talk about the pretérito perfecto y el pretérito indefinido. What's the difference? Right, there is a difference. Very little one though, but there is, and it's important for you to know it. So, first of all, welcome to Spanish with Chris. Both pretérito perfecto and pretérito indefinido are both to be used when talking about the past. So, for example, el pretérito perfecto is when we talk about something that, it has finished, but it's still happening. Okay, so for example, this month, right? So I can say, hoy he ido al bosque. So hoy is still happening, right? It doesn't matter if I'm back home and I'm not in the forest anymore. But because I said today, and today is still happening, we would use el pretérito perfecto. Okay? This month I've been to the forest. So este mes he estado en el bosque. Este mes he corrido 2 kilómetros. This month, right? This month is still happening. But if I say last month, then I would have to use el pretérito indefinido. Por ejemplo, el mes pasado, corrí 2 kilómetros. You see the difference? That's why it's very important to use time remarks. Time remarks, what I mean is words that tells you when the action happened. So, last month, today, last year, 2 years ago, this year. With that, we will know when to use el pretérito perfecto and when to use el pretérito imperfecto. So, another example. Este año he ido a la playa. Este año he ido a la playa. Pero el año pasado fui a la playa. El año pasado fui a la playa. Ayer fui a la montaña. Ayer fui. Yesterday. The day is over. So we would use el pretérito indefinido. Right? So I think it's very simple. You just need to know when the action happened. If it happened in a time that's still, going on, that is not over, then we would use the pretérito perfecto. Yo he, tú has, él ha, ella ha, nosotros hemos, vosotros habéis, ellos han. Ellos fueron a una fiesta la semana pasada. O ella ha ido a una fiesta esta semana. What if we don't say a time mark? What if we don't say it? If we don't say it, well, we still can figure out when the action happened. For example, if I say, yo he ido al bosque. I'm using the pretérito perfecto. He ido. No, fui. Porque he usado he ido. Well, we hint that the action happened not long ago. That happened recently. However, if I say, fui al bosque, then it sounds something that happened a long time ago, right? Could have been last week, could have been yesterday. We're not too sure. That's it. You don't always have to say yesterday, ayer, el mes pasado, el año pasado. If you say it, will be better. So the other person knows when the action happened. When did you go there? But if you don't, it's fine. Maybe it's not important. If it's not important for the other person to know when the accident happened, it's fine to say, fui a la playa. He ido a comprar. So here's a bit of homework for you. Leave in the comments section below, some sentences. Tell me any example of pretérito perfecto and pretérito indefinido. Another example, hoy is still happening, right? Hoy, today, he conducido. Hoy he conducido. Ayer conducí. Ayer conducí. Hoy he conducido. Ayer conducí. Okay. Right, guys, I hope this video is useful. It's a bit strange for me to film here, but if you do like this kind of videos as well, this kind of lessons, going to places rather than making the videos in the same place, let me know. I'll be happy to know your thoughts. I'll see you next time, guys. Gracias. Hasta luego. Hasta la próxima.